Hi everyone, hope you're well. I'm back in the workshop again today, so just thought I'd do another quick behind the scenes video to show you what we're working on here at Valve and Process Solutions. Today we're fitting some Westlock 2200 EXD switch boxes to Bray double acting actuators. These are going to a site and they're actually going to be fitting to existing 20-inch Bray butterfly valves that are already on site. We're also fitting a 24-volt Numatrol EXD solenoid. So we're fitting the solenoid, fitting the switch box, we're going to test the solenoid, set the switches for the customer. There's no back wiring to do on this particular job, but if the customer had asked for that, we could have done the back wiring with the EXD glands to save the customer a little bit of time on site. But by doing setting the switches and testing the solenoid, you'll know that everything works once it gets to site. We see all sorts of packages coming through the workshop here, and Bray is not something we see a great deal of, but it's something we can do if that's the particular actuator of choice on site. So get these three tested and they can leave and go out tonight. Thanks very much for watching.